Idipfe, Idipfe, Mugabe tsa. Thank you, comrades and friends, and obviously, thank you, journalists, for coming. We are happy that you came to, most of you came to monitor and cover the process of our elections. And my thinking is that you were factual in your reporting. We are not here to school you on how to do your business, but we just hope and trust that you do it objectively. What Comrade Mahia was saying is that when we went to war, we had different definitions of who our enemies were. But once we got into the revolution, we were capacitated in a way that after being orientated, we knew what our enemy was, and we could, and even up to now, we can positively